Good afternoon, students. Today's subject EVS 2. Today in EVS 2, we are going to learn new lesson. The name of the lesson is Shivaji gives slip to the emperor. The Agra journey. Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessings. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Aurangzeb's 50th birthday, he attended the meeting in Diwan-e Khas. Chief Sardars in serial ranks Jaswant Singh Rathod ranked ahead of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji Maharaj became very angry with this. King of the sovereign state of Maharashtra was standing behind, angry and insulted. The visit was thus a failure. The emperor's treachery. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje became emperor's prisoner. Shivaji understood the emperor's treachery. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor for permission to return to Maharashtra. Request was turned down. Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. Shivaji Maharaj wanted permission to send back all the persons who accompanied him to Agra. But this request was turned down. Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mahitar. Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill and started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulvis. Escape from Agra. In this we will see what plan that Shivaji Maharaj made for his escape from Agra. In the beginning, the guards outside would examine the baskets. They became tired of daily routine of checking it. One evening, Shivaji Maharaj made Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje, both of themselves, sit into the baskets, in two of the many baskets. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the basket. Their faithful servants were awaiting for them with horses. Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor. The emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's nest. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you, children.